Hello, everyone. Good to meet you all. I look forward to working with you and getting to know you all this semester in Ing Ed 370. I'm Carter Lamont. As you probably can see by my name on Canvas, I'm currently a junior here at UWS. I am an elementary ed major and a special ed minor, and I am from central Minnesota. It was my hometown, just a small town just south of Alexandria, Minnesota, about southwest, about probably 3.5 hours from here. I live on campus here. I'm a resident assistant in Ross Hawks on campus on the fourth floor of Ross Building. And I'm also a part of the Yellow Jackets men's tennis team, along with Ryer too, who I will be working with in this class. For my hobbies and interests, I love being outside, even though when it's cold out, it's not as fun, but definitely in the summer, I love playing tennis. I like golf, being active outside. I work at a golf course at my hometown, in the summers, so I definitely love being outside and, staying active, staying busy, working out when it's cold in the winter, and even going outside and dressing warm in the winter. I enjoy doing for my hobbies, I should say. My mom is a preschool teacher, so that's one of my big insights and why I wanted to go into education and really provide students with strong educational foundations and support inside the classroom, and just to benefit students in the best way possible. I also have a 12-year-old golden doodle who's our family dog. His name is Doodle. So that's my pet, and he loves coming up here to visit me. He loves it outside. And like me, he loves being outside and doing things active. But hey, good to meet everyone, and I look forward to working with you and getting to know you all this semester more.